I'm Alex Leibovich, Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Cambridge Industries USA, part of CIG's global group of companies, and I'm excited about the opportunity to speak with you today. CIG has been in the broadband business for almost 20 years. We were the first ones to incorporate a BOSA-on-board solution for an ONT. And as we all know, this has become an industry standard approach. Since then, CIG has always been on the forefront of innovation and technology and in the latest developments. We have multiple R&D centers around the globe and maintain extremely close relationships with all key industry suppliers, particularly SoC vendors. At the same time, CIG invests significantly in manufacturing processes and technologies. We have hundreds of R&D engineers who develop these processes, emphasizing automation and efficiency. Quite often, we even build our own manufacturing equipment. CIG has a number of globally dispersed manufacturing facilities which run the same repeatable processes. That enables us to quickly increase capacity and also provides geographical redundancy. I think of particular interest to this audience would be CIG's broadband access portfolio. As I mentioned, we started in the GPON CPE market, and CIG remains to this day a leader in FTTX solutions, offering a vast variety of ONTs, which are all internetworking with all the leading OLT vendors. Our broadband business unit has a full portfolio of both legacy GPON-EPON, as well as today's XGS and 10G EPON devices. We're starting to sample 25G to our key partners and are working on the developments well beyond that. CIG's wireless BU has a full range of Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi 7 offerings, including routers, gateways, and extenders, while partnering with multiple mesh providers. Additionally, we develop and manufacture small cell access point products. Having all key technology components allows CIG to support our customers and partners with the solutions that fit and address their specific unique requirements. Whether it is a two-box approach or an integrated device, CIG can provide basic data ONTs, add voice and/or MoCA, provide routers and Wi-Fi extenders, integrated gateways, etc. As I said, all customized to meet your specific needs and requirements. It is really a summary of everything that we have been discussing. CIG's two-pronged R&D and manufacturing approach, technology leadership, full breadth of products, redundant manufacturing sites, global presence that allows us to offer service and support in the Americas, EMEA, and Asia, as well as to leverage supply relationships worldwide. All of these factors enable CIG to provide the solutions that empower our partners and customers to build and manage ubiquitous multi-gigabit broadband networks. Thank you again for this opportunity to speak with you today. I really hope we get to see all of you at the show in Paris in a couple of weeks. If you're unable to stop by CIG's booth, please reach out and visit one of our facilities worldwide. Again, look forward to see all of you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.